Alright guys, it's the lunchtime, it's rainy afternoon and it's lunchtime in general. What do you have, honey, today?
So I ordered tonkotsu and also ordered gyoza. So this one is Japanese food. Looks so good.
Looking pretty nice. So it's like a new place in Sanur. It's a little bit rainy afternoon today, so yeah, there are some people enjoying the ramen. Pretty new place in Sanur. Little bit sitting area outside.
Alright, so we are going to the East Bali actually, but the road you see, it's big raining outside. Hati-hati, it's very big rain to the east. We are going to the east and look, we are on the bridge and seems like they making something here.
Big rain, big rain. Winter, actually summertime in Bali.
It's rainy season nowadays, you see?
It's
The big rain and cloud. Alright, so it was a very big rain when we were on the way. We were thinking actually to go to Candidasa. Damian and I then thinking that we really need to have a coffee break. And seems like there are no warungs, small warungs or restaurant on the way to Candidasa. That's why we decided to go to Amankila to have a coffee. Yeah, so even I read when we arrive and then I just read the reviews and everything. I just realized that this hotel where the David Beckham
was here?
yes, David Beckham
And Victoria also?
yes, David Beckham and family used to stay here when they had a holiday, and also another celebrities, many Hollywood celebrities also used to stay here.
Fancy.
Fancy. And then I just check on Google and everything. We are just like, we don't know actually that some beautiful places like this. And then I spoke to the waiters. Ibu, this hotel actually 29 years old already. And I just like, 29 years old? It is the same age as me. I am 31 and Damian
This is the same age
29.
like me actually.
So yeah, I was just thinking like, where am I in 29 years?
Well, you finally come here first time.
Finally, I came here for the first time.
But somebody said on our viewers, as many people used to coming here and they stay in the hotel and didn't go anywhere outside. They didn't even go outside the property, just stay here. So
Just like quarantine here.
something like that. So we decided to have a look what is here inside. And we just forgot to record this. We have actually coffee here, and you had a beautiful pisang goreng.
Pisang goreng.
That's what left actually, but
Yeah, so it's nice. I mean, like with the weather like this, raining, and then overview the ocean. So many a big ship actually coming from, I don't know, Pertamina or something like oil company, Indonesian oil company in front of us. It's very nice, peaceful. I really like it. No wonder that many Japanese tourists just come here. It's just like quarantine here.
Alright guys, so it's the very funny situation because when we finish our coffee, Winnie I said as we're gonna go to having pictures by the beautiful pool there, and they said as unfortunately you are not allowed to taking the pictures in this hotel. Can you imagine that, guys? This is like a 5-star premium luxury hotel and you are not allowed to make pictures even you are customer in the restaurant. Okay, we are not guests staying in the hotel, but obviously we had spent money in the restaurant. We are not using the pool. We just wanted to have a picture and they said no, you are not allowed. This is the first time in my life I travel in many countries across the world. This is the first time somebody said to me I cannot have a pictures in the hotel. That's really unbelievable.
And one thing, interesting thing, not interesting thing, disappointing thing from
I could
this
say
one,
pathetic
I could
even.
say, right? They said to me, I just, like I already put my makeup nicely and then I just want to take a picture in the pool because like overview the ocean. And they said, no, you are not allowed to take the picture by the pool because you may, what is it called, disturb other, other guests who's staying. But look at this, nobody, come on. So I don't know why.
Disappointing.
Okay, so now we just decided to go home because I personally feel disappointed. And look, I'll show you. Is there any guests staying here or even swimming? They didn't let me to take a picture.
It's even weather is not even good, by the way. Okay, let's go.
Let's go back.
This is not good, lah.
Okay, so after being in Amankila, we decided just to have a walk, just to have a fresh air in the rain. And now we are in the Candidasa, and seems like even it's holiday season, Candidasa still remain quiet. Only on the street that is the like transport traffic, because of this is the main road going to the east, right? So yeah, we didn't see any tourists like walking on the street. Like also the restaurant still, some open, some are closed. So this is how it is. For those who asked about Candidasa, Candidasa remains just like this.
Simply, we are here. We just wanted to have a trip somewhere, but the weather is really not the best. We arrived to Candidasa. We had the lunch first, then hotel coffee, but the hotel makes us a little bit disappointing. And well, we're gonna show you a little bit about Candidasa. This is our piece of beach for today. We actually plan to, chill, enjoy our time during the rain in the hotel where we were before. And we was planning to go to the beach because they have a private beach, but seems like we were really not welcomed there. Even the times are very hard, I could say, but seems like when we finish our coffee, nobody say even how it was. It's like say thank you to us for coming or anything. When we arrived to the lobby, they just said, okay, this is your key, your car is waiting here. They didn't even give us the chance to do anything. So that's really disappointing. We used to be in the hotels like Four Seasons in Jimbaran, in Ubud. We were even in Bulgaria, in Uluwatu, which is much more fancy hotel than this one, and there was everything like excellent, super hospitality. But this one seems like they don't give a shit. You know what I mean, guys? Like,
yeah, like on my holidays, I was thinking like maybe we could stay one night in Candidasa, have a peaceful, like romantic night together. But I don't know, I just changed my mind. And I feel like let's cancel our booking in Candidasa. Well, actually that we also plan to stay in Candidasa for one night.
But in different place anyway.
In different place, not in Amankila, but maybe like in this area, in the hotel. But I feel like maybe we changed our plan and let's back to Sanur and yeah. So this is how it is. The landscape is beautiful, but I don't know, maybe this is not our good luck to come to Candidasa.
Maybe just simply not the best day.
Okay.
End of the year, not must to be always beautiful, right? Anyway, the year was not so good, so
all right guys, I think that's a lot of video today from East Bali, Candidasa, and then yeah.
Just not always everything is optimistic and everything is good. I'm not sure if we can recommend, actually, probably not. However, maybe some of you love and have a great experience from the hotel, you can share it. Maybe they changed just right now. And yeah,
I think that's all our video today, guys, from East Bali. And thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya.
Bye.